We now proceed to one of the most meaningful parts of today's ceremony. The conferment of award to recognize exemplary service and outstanding performances within the Bureau of Fire Protection Regional Office 10. Requesting our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Trajuster, to be assisted by our command staff, Ardo and Arda, to hand over the awards. Citation reads, Bureau of Fire Protection Regional Office 10, Maharlika Building, Gumamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Regional Order Number R10 RAWD 2025-099. Medalya ng Kasanayan. Pursuant to BFP Praise MC number 2024-009, Section 9.4, Paragraph letter T as approved by the CSC and the PFPR Praise Resolution number 16 dated 15 October 2025. This Medalya ng Kasanayan or the BFP Efficiency Medal is awarded to. So please come forward when your name is called, sirs. SFO3 Darwin Levy H. Kikidet. A round of applause, please. FO1 Brian E. Antero. FO1 Ramil L. Carvajal for demonstrating exceptional skill, courage, and composure during a firefighting operation. These distinguished firefighters valiantly rescued 3 individuals trapped inside a residence engulfed in flames. Despite facing imminent danger and personal risk, the personnel sustained bruises and minor burns throughout the mission, yet heroically ensured the safe evacuation of all victims. Given this 24th day of December 1, 2025, at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, Gumamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City, signed Romel C. Trajo, Fire Chief Superintendent, BFP Regional Director. Another medalya ng kasanayan is given to FO2 Angelo B. Daiso, FO1 Julius Angelo T. Echeverria, FO1 Paul Noe B. Madrid, FO1 Gruber Warren L. Toralba for demonstrating competence, prompt response, and professionalism during a challenging recovery operation on June 25, 2025, responding swiftly to a drowning incident at the coastal area of Barangay Lapasandi City. The team skillfully extricated the victim from the water using BFP's available resources. They ensured the safety and dignity of the situation by securing the body in a safer location away from the hazardous rocky seizure. This commendable effort underscores their unwavering commitment to duty and excellence. Given this 24th day of December 1, 2025, at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, Gumamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, Romel C. Trajo, Fire Chief Superintendent, BFP Regional Director. A round of applause, please. Another medalya ng kasanayan is given to FO1 Jade Luanel F. Lontad, FO1 Ivan T. Pagara, for demonstrating exemplary performance of duty during an emergency response operation, their prompt and professional action in responding to a vehicular accident involving a single motor at Zone 4, Pigsagan, Cagayan de Oro City. Through their rapid response and efficient patient assessment, the team ensured the safety and proper medication attention of the victims, identified a Mr. Talampas, 52 years old, who sustained abrasions on the left eyebrow and head, and Gerald Mc Gavia, 6 years old, sustained abrasion on the left elbow. Given this December 1, 2025, at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, Gumamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Trajo, BFP Regional Director. Another medalya ng kasanayan is given to or awarded to. Sorry. Medalya ng Kasanayan is given to FO1 Kenneth Charles Q. Achas for exemplary performance of duty during an emergency response operation when he assisted MDRRMO Taguluan rescue personnel in responding to a vehicular accident transpired on August 17, 2025 involving a motorcycle and a mixer truck along FDC Taguluan Santa Cruz, Taguluan Misamis Oriental. Despite the high-risk environment, he demonstrated presence of mind and life-saving skills in the management of 3 critically injured patients, all of whom sustained multiple traumatic injuries, including head trauma, avulsions, and suspected fractures. Another medalya ng Kasanayan is given to FO1 Janelle P. Agagio for having exhibited exceptional technical skill, initiative, and dedication through their significant contribution in the fabrication and construction of various materials and equipment that greatly ensured the successful preparation and execution of the Far Square Road Show and Arts Craftsmanship Competition calendar year 2025. Given this December 1, 2025, at the Office of the Regional Director, BFF 10, Gomamela Extension, Carmen Cagayan Oro City, signed Romel C. Trejo, Fire Chief Superintendent, BFP, Regional Director. Wala. Congratulations, sirs. Your commitment and service stand as an inspiration to all members of the Bureau of Fire Protection. Thank you for upholding honor, courage, and dedication in the performance of your respective duties. A round of applause, please. Once again, congratulations, sirs.